I'm sure you don't know these. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into some intriguing words that can evaluate your vocabulary. So let's get started.
Quadruple bunk beds!
First up, we have quadruple. It sounds pretty powerful, right? Well, it is. Quadruple means to increase 4 times.
Inexplicable reason.
Stop.
Next, let us talk about inexplicable. This word describes something that is difficult or impossible to explain.
No, I think emphatically not.
Moving on to emphatically. When you say something emphatically, you are speaking with strong, forceful conviction. For example, if you say, I will not be late emphatically, you are making it clear that you mean it. And lastly, let us discuss onus. This word means responsibility or duty. So there you have it. Quadruple, inexplicable, emphatically, and onus. Next time you encounter these words, you will know exactly what they mean and how to use them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.